Today, we're diving into the world of marine insurance. Whether you're a shipping magnate or just someone who ordered a vintage record player from overseas, marine insurance ensures those precious goods make it to their destination safely. We'll break down the different types of marine insurance and explain how they protect ships, cargo, and people from financial losses at sea. Over the course of this video, we'll be your navigators through the complex world of maritime risk. Let's set sail. First up, let's talk about the backbone of any ship, its hull and machinery. Hull and machinery insurance, or H&M, covers the costs of repairing or replacing the ship's hull and machinery in case of accidents like collisions, fires, or groundings. Imagine a cargo ship encountering a nasty storm in the North Atlantic and running aground on a sandbar. The hull sustains damage, and the engine room floods, leaving the ship dead in the water. In this situation, H&M insurance would step in to cover the repair costs, potentially saving the ship owner millions of dollars. H&M insurance also covers damage from less dramatic, but equally costly events like machinery breakdowns. Whether it's a sudden storm or a slow leak, H&M insurance ensures the vessel can return to the seas. Well-maintained ships can encounter situations that lead to legal trouble. Collisions, accidental pollution, or injuries to crew members can result in costly lawsuits. That's where protection and indemnity insurance, or P&I, comes into play. P&I acts like a legal safety net for ship owners, protecting them from the financial fallout of maritime liabilities. It covers a wide range of potential legal claims, from collisions and cargo damage to environmental pollution and wreck removal. Imagine an oil tanker accidentally spilling crude oil into a pristine coastal ecosystem. P&I insurance would cover the legal costs and potential payouts, preventing a catastrophic financial blow to the ship owner. Often provided through P&I clubs, ship owners pool resources to insure each other, sharing the risk and benefiting from collective bargaining power. We've covered the ship itself and the legal liabilities, but what about the actual cargo? Cargo insurance protects cargo owners from financial losses if their goods are damaged, lost, or stolen during transit. Imagine a container ship caught in a violent storm with waves crashing over the deck and damaging the cargo below. Inside one of those containers sits a shipment of handcrafted furniture, destined for a high-end design store. Cargo insurance would assess the damage, reimburse the furniture owner for their losses, and potentially help with salvage and recovery efforts. It covers a wide range of perils, ensuring that goods are protected throughout their maritime journey. The world of shipping is all about contracts, and disputes can arise. Freight demurrage and defense insurance, or FD&D, helps ship owners and charterers navigate contractual disagreements. Imagine a cargo ship arriving at a congested port, causing delays and financial losses. FD&D insurance would cover the ship owner's legal costs if they need to dispute demurrage charges or defend against claims from the charterer. FD&D insurance provides financial protection and peace of mind in situations where contracts are breached or payments are disputed. The seas can be unpredictable, with risks like geopolitical instability, war, terrorism, and piracy. War risk insurance provides a crucial safety net in the face of extraordinary events. It protects against losses caused by acts of war, terrorism, and piracy. Imagine a cargo ship carrying valuable electronics through a region known for maritime piracy. A group of armed pirates boards the vessel, taking the crew hostage and demanding a ransom. War risk insurance would cover the ransom payment, any damage to the ship, and potential losses from the delay in delivery. While we hope for peaceful seas, war risk insurance ensures preparedness for the unexpected. The storm of lost revenue. Loss of hire insurance provides a financial cushion during unexpected downtime. And there you have it, a crash course through the intricate world of marine insurance. We've explored different types of coverage, from protecting the ship to safeguarding the cargo and navigating legal waters. Marine insurance plays a vital role in facilitating global trade, protecting businesses, and ensuring goods arrive safely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.